welcome back to MSN Construction YouTube channel. Really I seek forgiveness from all of you because I couldn't upload a video in a recent past, so sorry for that, dear guys. So let us move on to another new topic, concrete mixers. Okay, let me do a brief introduction about concrete mixtures. Okay guys, concrete mixer is a device that mixes homogeneously cement, water, gravel or sand to form concrete. There are a lot of choice on the market, so you can find one that adapts better for your usage. This provides a less hard task than mixing it by hand. The concrete mixers are largely used on civil construction, mostly to build houses, dams, bridges and infinity of other tasks as well. It has also other uses like mixing rations or manure, but on these cases it calls only mixer. They normally measure the capacity of the mixture in liters that corresponds to the drum capacity. The best you can get is a concrete mixture that provides you homogeneity and does it quickly. Okay, this is a very short introduction about concrete mixers. We'll meet up with another session with the time permit. I'm hoping to talk more about concrete mixers. Okay, then we'll meet up with another session very soon. Till then, stay tuned with MSN Construction. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe my channel MSN Construction. Okay, thank you very much. Take care.